But with that, we will go on and talk about the next set of earnings that we have lined up. Now, it's the fourth quarter of profit degrowth as far as Manappuram Finance is concerned, and that's even as the asset quality continued to remain steady. So to shed more light on the key factors at play for the previous quarter that has gone by and the road ahead for the company, joining us now is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, V.P. Nandakumar. Also, Yatin Mota joins us to steer us through this conversation. Yatin.
Thanks for that, Shraddha, and thank you so much, sir, for joining in. Mr. Nandakumar, I wanted to ask you, what have been the growth drivers for the company in the fourth quarter, and do you think FY19 could be better in terms of growth and asset quality, since you have your other businesses, the gold loan, which is a vehicle financing business, and your consumer financing business doing well?
We hope that we have fully come out of demand. Our businesses are during the last 2 quarters were growing well. Collections have been improving in microfinance business. Collections have been improving in other businesses also. So I hope this year will be better than last year. We are targeting a growth of around 10 to 15% in gold loan. The other businesses also we target good growth, microfinance, the post-demand, the recovery is back to around 100%. Now, the commercial vehicle business is stabilized a lot. Now, this year we expect that business to grow around 600 crores now. Commercial vehicle, the home finance, there was some stress. The NPA is slightly high now. One, it is because the last year we didn't grow as the previous year. It was around 50%. Because of that, on a static pool, the NPA has gone up on the static pool. That's the reason. But the good resolutions are happening, and we are poised to grow home finance this year. So overall, when I look at, I am very optimistic of the current year.
Sir, your stock is under pressure, probably because of weak asset quality. If you could give us a guidance as to how do you see your asset quality shaping up moving forward, and do you think the urban market is showing some signs of weakness?
Of course, in gold loan, no worry. It will be maintained around 0.5%. Which is compared to the market, 0.5% is very good. Then some additional provision was there in gold loan during the current year. That also was a technical provision, because we received some through the court some gold around 12 pledge value around 12 crores. Court is slowly granting us the permission to liquidate and realize the money. So I hope in another 1 quarter, all the permissions will be received to liquidate that. So that issue will be over. So the asset quality will remain very good. The online gold loan, which is that is a digital gold loan, where the transactions number is very high and the risk is very low. It is also improving. Our average loan to value in gold loan is much below 70%. So again, a good news. The microfinance business I mentioned, the collections are back to normal, around 100%. The entire impact of demand is over. We are collecting from the return of accounts during last year also. In commercial vehicle, as the platform, everything is stable. Yes, that is growing. Home finance also will grow. Digitalization, which is a thrust area, use of financial technologies, which is a thrust area. The efforts are in full swing. I hope we'll be able to move on in this direction very fast this year. During this year itself, we'll make a big headway. Another thing, the cost reduction. Last year, one hit was on account of the security cost, which has gone up by 130-40 crores during last year. So, with electronic technology as well as the new storage models which we have planned during the current year, we are able to bring down that cost. These are the positive things. So overall, it looks very positive.
Okay, sir, one final question from my side. Since you were talking about stability in your gold loan business, can you give us a guidance for the commercial vehicle financing and the home financing business? Because you are on a low base there. So in FY19, can we expect a 20-25% growth there from that segment?
Our composition is fast changing. Now around 25% is non-gold. I think it will move up to non-gold will move up to around 30% during the current year. The gold may maintain at the rate of 10 to 15%. So in that way also de-risking happens.
Thank you, Mr. Nandakumar. We leave it at that. And Agam, what's there the internet spotting?
Well, actually, we're looking at a worsening advance decline ratio as usual, Yatin. We're looking at about one gainer for 4 losers.